Have you just said yes to following Jesus? Well, next steps will be for you. This is a 3-part course starting on Thursday, the 5th of March. It's a couple of Thursdays where we walk you through the foundations of Christianity and what church looks like and how you can grow, belong, and get involved in things here. We'd love for you to be a part of this to build that foundation of your faith after saying yes to Jesus. So if you're a new believer and you feel like this is the next step for you, join the course and you can sign up online and get more information.
Our next baptism service is happening on Easter Sunday. What a great day to get baptised and make that public declaration of your faith. So if you are a new believer or you've been following Jesus and haven't yet taken this step, then maybe have a think about it. Come and talk to leadership. We'd love to chat and journey with you through that. And you can make this next step to publicly declare that you are following Jesus. So that's happening on Easter Sunday. So let us know if you want to get baptised.
Here at Excel Church, we're going to be running an academy course called the Excel Leadership Academy. This is for anyone who's interested in growing in their character, their confidence, and their calling. We want to be developing emerging leaders here at Excel Church through mentorship, through training, and through hands-on ministry experience. We want to be developing emerging leaders. Could that be you? If you feel like God might be stirring something with you with this area, then we'd love for you to take part in this course. There's an application process where you can apply online, and up to 12 people will be picked for this specific academy. So if that's you, head to the website to get some more information.
Don't stress, just breathe.
So that's all for church news, but make sure you keep up to date with what's going on our website and also on social media. And it's Connect groups this week, so make sure you connect with yours. Have a great week.